Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and if you see it, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Like this. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, select it by tapping on it. And once you select it, it's gonna be applied on your watch. Like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So for example, if you open the watch face menu, you should see the settings icon under the watch face, and you can tap on this icon to customize it. And here we can change the widgets, so we can tap on one and select the different one from the list. For example, let's select something like general category and then select the watch battery like this. Then select different one or tap on the second one to change it and select something like maybe weather, like that. Once you're done customizing the widgets, you can swipe up right here on the screen to open the list of more customizations. And once you open it, here we have the dial style, accent color, and save look. So we can tap on dial style. You can change the style of the background of the clock like this. Then we can tap on accent color to change the color of the accents. Also, if you have certain types of dials, you will see the dial color option. You can change it like that. And then we have the save look option, and you can tap on it to save the watch face if you want to, like this. And for example, we can select something like green, and it's gonna be saved like that. Okay, and then we can tap on it to select it, like that. You can also open the watch face menu through settings, so you can press the crown button to open the menu, then you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it. In settings you can tap on display, tap on change watch face, and this will open the watch face menu. And again, you can select the watch face by tapping on it, like this. You can also open the watch face menu, and if you scroll all the way to the right, you will see this option, see more watch faces. You can tap on it, and here we have the list of additional watch faces we can apply on our watch. Basically, we can add it to the list. So find the one you like, for example, I don't know, maybe this one, tap on it, and it's gonna be added to this list. And now we can tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. We can also remove the watch faces from this list, from the watch face menu list, by simply swiping up on them like that. And last way to customize the watch faces is to do it through the phone application. So I'm gonna move this aside, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen like this. Okay. Now let's open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the device page for your Emporio Armani Connected watch, and here you should see the category called watch faces. Tap on the more button to open the whole category, and here again we have the list of watch faces. We can add to the list of watch faces. And we can, for example, tap on this one, and it's gonna be selected and applied like this. You can also simply change the watch faces by tapping on them right here on this list, like that. You can tap on the more options icon on the watch face to open the set on, or to tap on the set on watch to set it. And that's about all, I believe. Yes, you can basically select them to apply them, like that. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.